Hi there, science fans! Have you ever wondered what you and a giant oak tree have in common? You both are made of cells. Cells are the building blocks of all living things, from the smallest ant to the tallest giraffe. Though tiny, these microscopic wonders are bursting with life, working tirelessly to keep us alive and kicking. Imagine a bustling city. That's what it's like inside of you. Cells are like tiny houses, each with a specific job to do. Just like houses come together to form neighborhoods, cells team up to form something amazing. You! Think of it this way. If we gathered all the cells in your body, we'd have trillions. That's more than all the stars in our galaxy. Pretty mind-blowing, right? So get ready for an exciting journey into the fascinating world of cells. First stop, the animal cell. Imagine a tiny squishy balloon. That's kind of what an animal cell looks like. It has a thin outer layer called the cell membrane, which acts like a gatekeeper controlling what goes in and out of the cell. Think of it like your skin, protecting everything inside. Inside the cell, there's a jelly-like substance called cytoplasm. It's like the cell's swimming pool, where all the important parts of the cell float around and do their jobs. Floating in the cytoplasm is the cell's brain, the nucleus. The nucleus is like the control center of the cell, telling everyone what to do. It contains our DNA, which is like a set of instructions that make you, well, you. It determines your hair color, eye color, and everything in between. Pretty neat, huh? To food through a process called photosynthesis. It's like magic, but it's science. Section 4. Building blocks of life from cells to you. Now that we've met our cell friends, let's see how they work together to create something amazing. You. Every single part of your body is a result of these cells collaborating in harmony. Remember how cells are like tiny building blocks? They are the foundation of all living things, constantly working and multiplying. Well, just like Lego blocks connect to build a castle, cells connect to form tissues. These tissues are essential for the structure and function of your body. Tissues are groups of similar cells that work together to perform a specific job. They are specialized to handle different tasks. For example, muscle tissue is made up of cells that contract and relax, allowing you to move. This movement is crucial for daily activities and overall health. Skin tissue, on the other hand, is made up of cells that protect your body from the outside world. It acts as a barrier against harmful elements. Different types of tissues then team up to form organs, which are like specialized machines in your body. Each organ has a unique role to play. Your heart, for example, is an organ made up of muscle tissue, nerve tissue, and connective tissue. It works tirelessly to keep you alive. All these tissues work together to pump blood throughout your body. This collaboration ensures that oxygen and nutrients reach every part of you, keeping you healthy and strong. Section 5. Teamwork makes the dream work. Cells joining forces. But wait, there's more. Organs don't work alone either. They are part of larger systems that collaborate to keep you healthy and active. They work together in groups called organ systems to keep your body functioning properly. Each system has a specific role, but they all interconnect. For example, your heart is part of the circulatory system, which also includes your blood vessels and blood. This system is crucial for transporting essential substances. This amazing system delivers oxygen and nutrients to every cell in your body, ensuring they have what they need to function. From cells to tissues, tissues to organs, and organs to systems, your body is a fantastic example of teamwork. It's a complex but beautifully coordinated effort. Each part has a vital role to play, and they all work together in perfect harmony to keep you alive and thriving. This collaboration is essential for your survival. Think about it. When you take a bite of an apple, your digestive system breaks down the food, extracting nutrients and energy. Your respiratory system takes in oxygen, which is vital for cellular respiration and energy production. And your circulatory system delivers nutrients to every cell in your body, ensuring they function optimally. It's a remarkable process, all thanks to the incredible teamwork of your cells. Every moment your body is a symphony of cooperation and efficiency. Section 6. Fun facts about cells, the little things that matter. Ready for some fun facts about cells? Hold on to your hats. We're about to dive into the microscopic world that makes up our very being. Did you know that your body loses about 50 million cells every second? That's right, every single second. But don't worry, your body also produces new cells at an astounding rate. It's a non-stop process that keeps you alive and well. It's like a constant cycle of renewal happening inside of you. Just like nature renews itself, so does your body. Here's another cool fact. Not all cells are the same size. They come in various shapes and sizes, each designed for a specific function. The largest cell in the human body is the female egg cell, which is about the size of a grain of sand and can actually be seen with the naked eye. Isn't that fascinating? The smallest cell, on the other hand, is the sperm cell, which is about 100 times smaller than the egg cell. It's incredible how such tiny cells play such a crucial role in reproduction. And guess what? Your body has over 200 different types of cells, each with a unique shape and function. From muscle cells to brain cells, each one is specialized. Some cells, like nerve cells, are long and thin, while others, like red blood cells, are round and flat. Each type is perfectly suited to its role. It's amazing how diverse these tiny building blocks of life can be. They all work together in harmony to keep us functioning every day. Section 7 Cells, the marvels inside you. So there you have it, science explorers. Cells are the fundamental units of life, working tirelessly to keep us alive and kicking. From the tiniest bacterium to the largest whale, all living organisms are composed of these microscopic wonders. Next time you look in the mirror, remember the trillions of cells working behind the scenes to make you who you are. It's a humbling thought, knowing that something so small can create something so complex and extraordinary. Remember to appreciate the incredible world of cells and the vital role they play in our lives. Keep asking questions, keep exploring, and never stop being curious about the science that surrounds us.